I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you just click here on special draft here. So then it's going to take you to play so with another. So you just click here on play match here. So then it's going to take you here to, so it's going to change a person with you here, and here choose your so you choose here your time, your champ, sorry, your champ. Just click here on next, and you click in this sign here. So when you click here, you add your player here. So then here can you choose player to here. So then when you follow all this, when you follow it all, then it's going to play uh, game with this person here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.